What now?
Nothing, you just remind me of someone. She was fearless too, and stubborn.
Was your friend a Jedi too?
No, she was a leader. She died a long time ago.
I'm sorry.
Me too.
I wanna take you somewhere, you know I care, but it's so cold and I don't know where. I brought you daffodils on a pretty string,